here's another graphing a trig function. This time the only change from the typical sine of x graph is going to be a vertical shift of 2. So let's identify the thing's amplitude is going to be a 1, period of sine is normally 2 pi. Phase shift, there's nothing else in this x inside the parentheses, so there is no phase shift. And vertical shift of 2, up 2. Okay? So here's what we're going to do. We'll draw the regular period. It normally ends at 2 pi, so it's going to end at 2 pi. And make these intervals. You should be very comfortable with these intervals. If the period does not change, you should be comfortable with those. So I'm going to draw the regular sine graph first. Okay? I'm going to draw that in green. So normally it starts at 0, 0, then up, 0, down, 0. I'm going to connect that with some dots here. Okay, so we get the idea. That's the normal sine curve. Here's what's going on. We have a vertical shift. So I'm going to increase my vertical axis here, the y-axis, to extend where it needs to be. Alright, those keep popping up. So that would be there, this would be a 2, and that pretty much covers it all. Okay. So I'm going to just simply move up each point 2 units. So from 0 it goes up 2, so here's going to be the first point. From positive 1 goes up 2, now it's at 3. 0 goes up 2 to be a 2. Negative 1 goes up 2 to be a positive 1. 0 goes up 2 to be a 2. And I'll connect those. Okay. You may have done this a different way by just relabeling the 1 and the negative 1 to be different values. You can do that. Just check with your teacher if you did not learn this method to make sure that you're doing it correctly. So if we asked you what the midline would be, that would be directly through here is the middle. That's at 2. Okay, so the midline would be 2. The amplitude should be 1. That's this distance between the middle, the amplitude, or the midline and the top, and then the midline and the bottom point. So that's still 1, so that's good. So in case you need to find the midline, that's just the middle of the curve. If you were drawing this and you relabeled these values right here, then this would be your midline. Okay? So just double check with your teacher if this is not how you were taught to do it. The vertical shift, you're going to draw the regular curve, and then just move it up or down however many units it is.